Hi everybody, Rich here. It's about 9:40 a.m. as 9:40 p.m. as I make this part of the video. And let's start off by looking at tremendous amounts of lightning here in central Alabama. You can see it extending from about LaGrange, Georgia to all through Elmore County, Autauga County. Look at the Selma area. Look at northwest of Selma into the Marion area. And there's also a couple of warnings showing up. One in West Alabama. There's a tornado warning up here. This tornado warning is into north central Jefferson County. That is, well, north central Jefferson County was just canceled. So portions of Blount County under a tornado warning. And there's one farther to the north, the Huntsville area is under a tornado warning. So that's what the lightning looks like. Now let me turn on the radar data. And as we do, you'll see some tremendous heavy rain occurring in central Alabama right now. And that rain has been relentless for the last few hours. It's training over the same area. I'll go ahead and put the radar in motion for you, and you'll get an idea of how this has been moving over the same general area. And that's called training, and that's why the rainfall amounts have been very, very heavy indeed. Let's stop the radar and go to the current frame right now. And let's zoom out. I want to give you an idea of the watch situations right now. So let's turn on the watches and show you that, first of all, you got the watch in western Alabama and central Alabama, the one including Montgomery and Selma. That one goes until, that watch is in effect until 1 o'clock in the morning. And then you have the watch farther to the east into the Atlanta, LaGrange area, Columbus, Georgia, down to around Troy. That watch is in effect until 4 o'clock in the morning. So that's the current watch situation. Now let's do a couple of things here. Let's turn off the lightning, which is on the screen here. We'll hide that. And I'm going to turn off the warnings for a moment. Turn off the tornado warnings and the severe thunderstorm warnings. And also one more thing here. We'll turn off some of these other displays, TVS, and then I want to take you into the future now. Let's go into the model future, and we'll look at 3 o'clock in the morning. In fact, let's go ahead and look at 3 a.m., and this is going to show a very active situation here in central Alabama. From about Atlanta and Rome, Georgia, through Lake Martin or into the Montgomery area, down towards the Greenville area, this is the scenario at 3 o'clock in the morning, so we have several hours ahead of us, a very active night indeed. When we get very, very busy, I'll be able to do some live streaming using this radar display program that you're watching now. We'll give you a link on the Facebook page on how to get to the live streaming when that becomes necessary. That's the latest.